Check it out, guys. First morel of the day. We are gonna take it. Ooh, yes. That's a nice looking one. Let's get more. Boo-boo, let's get morels. But check out these mushrooms. There's one. There's some more. Look at that cool crystally rocker. Haven't found many morels yet, just 3. 3 morels. So we're gonna give it a little bit longer and then we're just gonna go fishing. Good girl. All right, so it's spring, it's the month of May. Runoff has been really high, but the river has dropped back down to a nice fishable level. So it dropped pretty significantly, so I'm thinking that's gonna make the fishing pretty good. We got some different bugs coming off the water now. Salmon flies and caddises are just starting. And there might even still be a few March browns. So right now we're just gonna fish a bobber rig, 2 different nymphs on there. I've got a big old stone fly, kind of salmon fly nymph, like a Pat's rubber leg type deal, and this little caddis emerger. So we'll see what happens. Water looks good. Okay, so we switched up the fly, put on a big dry salmon fly because I've seen a couple of rises and I've seen some salmon flies flying around. So we're gonna give it a go. Oh. Did you see that rise? Damn. Splashy rise. Missed it too. Check it out. As we're walking to our next fishing spot, boom, another one. 2 big morels. There's one. And there's the other one. Look at that. Okay, let's get out our little bag and our knife. It's pretty like exposed to the sun. So this one's kind of dried out, but we'll look around and see if we can't find another couple of them. Woohoo! Yes. Oh, losing stuff. Okay, here's this one. Already dehydrated. That's a bigger one. Wow. Check that guy out. Add it to the bag. The deer rubs. Let's keep going. Check this out. Big old stone flies. Salmon flies have hatched. There's their exoskeleton. Just caught a salmon fly going down the river. Hi there, buddy. Look at that thing. Ooh, it's so big. It tickles. Hello. Here's the underside. Crazy. Now watch this thing when it goes on the water. Makes a lot of ruckus. Oh, there it goes. Alright, let's go further down the stream. Alright, Babu, we made it. There you go. Oh, damn it. There's one flying. Oh, it landed on me. Here it is. Look at this. This guy just freaking hit me in the face. Whoa, where'd it go? Man, well, they're out here. All right, let's try another fly. Let's put a new dry fly on there. See if we can fool them with something a little different looking. So this is what was on. So maybe we'll do that. That looks different, but still good. Damn it! Oh! Alright, Bobo. Last cast. This was a good one. Alright, doggo. Let's go to the next spot. Oh, yeah. Still no fish, but we got another morel here. Definitely seems like the morels are kind of getting a little cooked down here. So it's about time to head up in elevation for the next morel foray. They're still around here, riverside, but it's definitely not as much. Whoop. Check that out. Lisa, what do you think about this? Yeah. This spot's a bit more shady, so yeah, not a very big bounty, but we got a few. Oh, found one more because I put my knife away. There it is. Nice. Let's go ahead and pick these guys. Okay, there's one. Guess this is the pro of benefit of walk and wade. You wouldn't find these from the boat. Literally just put the knife and bag away to keep hiking, and then boom, two more. 1, 2. All right, just gonna have to keep it out with me while I'm hiking because this is good. Pretty. And they're dried up. It's all right though. Just dried naturally. All right, let's grab our fishing stuff and we'll just forage while we go. Sorry you missed the hook set, but we're on. I think it's a rainbow because it did a jump. Oh, there it is. Ooh, mad. Oh, man. I might have to follow this one downstream. Oh yeah, look at that foul hook, baby. Sorry, bud. No wonder it felt better than it did. Foul hooked. Sorry. There you go. All right, we'll let you go. This one needs a good reviving after being fought from its tail. Oh, there it goes. All right, well, are we on the board? I don't know. Foul hooked fish. Went for the dry salmon fly. Let's dry it off and we'll go again. All right, so tough day of fishing for me, but had a few misses and one foul hooked, so I guess that counts for something. But had fun, found some awesome morels, a couple handfuls, so that's enough for a little side dish for a little meal. So thank you for watching, and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Say bye, boo-boo.